There goes Killer Wax. Good morning everybody. How you guys doing? All right, let me go get my hat and then I'll do a little intro for you guys. What is up everybody, it's your boy Chubbs. Welcome back to another video. Okay, we don't have much to do today. We're just gonna be dropping the giveaway truck a little bit more, because from the start, since we did this 3/8 drop, I was like, I hate that big ass gap. So I bought some 2-inch drop spindles so we could do a 5/8 on this truck instead. It's gonna look way better. It's probably gonna be as low as my truck from the front, because this one's also a 5, so a little bit lower. So we're gonna be heading out to my boy, the one and only CNTKustoms. My boy Eddie, he's gonna be dropping it. He drops all my trucks, so it's only right to take it to him. Plus, he's a sponsor of this truck, so hit him up, guys. CNTKustoms. All right, but let me move the Denali, or at least reverse it so we could get this baby out. Chinga. I'm gonna have to buy some wipers for this shit too. All right, just to show you guys once again, this truck has no lights, nothing. Like I said, we're gonna be doing that 2-inch spindle in the front also, so it's gonna make it a 5-inch drop and then 8-inch in the rear. So this truck's gonna be, it's gonna be perfect, bro, like perfect height. So the giveaway's gonna be in November. That's already coming up, guys. I'm gonna miss this truck. Still gotta paint it though. Hopefully we can paint it fast so you guys can get the truck already, whoever wins. Sick ass food. Look at this dude. Damn, all clear headlights. Fuck. GMC people be like that. That's right. Look, you guys know this guy. We're sponsor of the truck. About to drop it more.
I'm all fucked up. I feel like I'm an old man. Who did the suspension for me?
Some fool at his house.
Yeah, for okay, I think they did it wrong, bro.
They did it wrong?
Yeah.
Oh, let me call him.
It looks too good.
Yes, fool.
It looks too good, bro.
Now here, let me call him so you can come look at it.
You gonna call him? Fuck.
Yeah.
Nah, don't call him. Don't put him on blast like that, bro. I'm getting a call, bro. Hold on. Okay, I gotta answer this. Hello? Hello?
This fool. Alright, this fool wants me to time him, so I'm gonna time him. So put the wheel back so we can do it from the start.
Fuck, I already have the wheel off, dog. Like that. It's cool.
Alright. Well, wait till I put like
Put the wheel on.
20 seconds.
What the? It takes you like 5 seconds to take it off.
Alright, ready, set, go.
Damn, bro.
Alright, so this truck is already on a 3/8, like I said. If you guys haven't watched the video where he dropped it to a 3/8, go check it out. I'll leave a link and a little button up there. I'm gonna update you guys with a little bit on the Denali clone. We haven't really put in a video for anything, for any updates or anything, but I'm gonna be picking up the cam kit pretty soon from Garage Guy so we could get it cammed over here at Power Ambitions. Just saving up to get a fucking a stall so we can get that cam installed. Other than that, doesn't really need anything else. Damn, look at this, we're smoking on the job. I'm not gonna pay him.
Sir, I'm gonna get vitamins,
not on
bro.
duty, so what the fuck's the matter with you? Give me this shit.
Gonna look lower than this after? Or,
yeah.
Or is that here right there?
No, this should look lower.
Because I might go to 12 inches in the front then.
12 inches in the front, bro. What the fuck?
Can you do that,
bro? If you wanna go more than 5 inches lower in front, bro, you should just bag your fucking truck, dude. That sounds good for you. It's a little.
Alright, let's see.
Probably be a good rich type one. Huh? Probably be a good rich one.
I want to talk about racing, bro.
Party's going on.
Why, bro? What's wrong with your truck now, bro?
Huh?
What's wrong with your truck now?
Nothing wrong with my truck.
Ready, fool?
Let's go. That looks a little better. Hey, for you said it was gonna be testing, bro.
No promises, bro.
Huh?
I said no promises. Hold on, fool. Look, you want it to go lower?
Leon and my fucking hood goes down and shit.
That big ass Danish. They'll be like,
It's a reverse cow hood.
We need to turn the steering wheel. Turn it. Both ways.
Huh?
Turn it, bro, both ways.
I don't know.
Te pasaba de verga.
nada, ¿para qué vergas quiere eso? ¿Va a andar cagando cada puto 5 minutos?
Nah. The pass who's popping.
He said depends.
Alright, there it is, guys. 2 inches lower in the front. We're now at a 5.8. Tell me that doesn't look better. Hell yeah.
Cut the U.
Oh shit. It's missing.
That shit is nice.
In there. There? Yeah, where this the funeral truck from? I'm gonna put it in there because it's leaking.
Yeah, this truck's slow as fuck. Look at that. Alright guys, so we're doing like a little pop-up park and chill or maybe even cruise right now. I didn't vlog for most of the day because I was just doing orders and shirts for other people. I'm sure you guys don't want to see all that. It'd probably be boring for you guys. Tomorrow I'm gonna be doing oil changes. Well, we'll just leave it in this video as well. So I'm gonna do a separate video of just doing oil changes, you know. We gotta do oil changes on my girl's car and the giveaway truck since the previous owner said he didn't even do an oil change on it. So I'm pretty sure it's time for it. So we're gonna go with some high mileage on that. Just gotta go pick up the filters tomorrow from AutoZone. And yeah, so right now we're just gonna head up to North Fontana and chill for a bit. So let's go, guys. Damn, 6.2?
Nah, that's a 5.3.
That's right. Yeah, bro, it's been forever.
Raiders? What about the Raiders?
Yeah, me either. I just started hearing a bunch of fireworks. What the hell's going on? And then I look at my feet. Yeah.
Oh, you saw they're riding out there in the Staples Center and shit? Yeah, I'm like, oh, I used to fuck it up already, right?
Thanks, man. Have a good one. Cool ass security guard. Same grill, bro. Tell them to park next to you. Oh, it's part of them. You're gonna do what? Your taxes, bro?
Yeah, I'm almost start doing my taxes.
Oh, that's early, bro.
Gotta get a head start.
Easy conversation. Whoever drives the Ford, please.
Hurry, bro, we're leaving.
Oh, I gotta put my shit away. I'm trying to have a picnic, fool.
I got a V6, drive slow. I got a V6.
I got roller band.
Vámonos. That's right. Chile. We got another club coming.
Oh yeah? Who?
Nueva Era.
Oh, gotcha.
Poor guys. They're like, what the hell's going on?
Distance.
Back up, sir.
Stop, sir. Don't make me get the manager, sir.
Family Reina. Some chocolate. Let me see your chocolate. Damn. That's right.
Show them the donuts.
Let's see. Let's get some more light.
We're just open.
Damn. Damn, you got the table again. It does come in handy. You got like 12 more chairs?
Hey, you can say they call me stupid, right? Who's stupid now? Look at, I got my little table. Got the
all of us
Christmas
standing
tree.
up. Thanks, bro. I'm gonna go.
You good? You want tea?
Nah, I'm not like that.
Damn, Frankenstein. Some sprinkles. And then some pink.
Oh, I didn't realize.
Ah, true. Let's go see the twins.
Yeah, we have a banner.
Right.
That's yeah. That's why we got the. That's why we got the coyotes, bro. To handle that shit.
Oh, that wasn't you guys? That was probably the air, I know. Oh, that was the other thing.
Oh, what?
We're gonna leave after that.
Alright guys, so after that little Krispy Kreme meetup, we decided to go do some fun runs, but my camera had died, so I didn't really record much. I do have some videos on my phone, and I'll post that here for you guys. But man, last night was fun. I wish I had my extra batteries and everything to record everything. But pretty much end of the story is some of the homies, they got some good runs in, and probably not even like 10 minutes into being in Mexico, cops pull up, bro. But before that, we believe it was undercover already. They're chilling, waiting for somebody, and you know, it was us. So pretty much that night, everybody got followed home. I mean, last night, everybody got followed home pretty much, except me and some other trucks. The giveaway truck finally got its first run, unofficial run, versus another stock 4.8. I'll put that video right here for you guys. It's just a short clip. Sadly, we didn't get to record it that well, but man, the giveaway truck pulls pretty good, especially for being stock. Or I mean, it just has e-fans. But yeah, guys, that thing pulls. Other than that, guys, hopefully you guys like how the truck's coming out with the 5.8 drop now. It looks way better. Finally it's lowered. Now we're just waiting on the paint job, guys. That's pretty much all that's left, besides some minor modifications and upgrades and fixes like an oil change and, you know, simple things like that. But it's coming together, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for another video. I got new merch coming in soon. It's badass. I just got the new design, and man, it's freaking sick. So stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be badass. Peace out, everybody. TCB. See you guys in the next video. Bye.